Hello my precious viewers. Welcome to the second video in our series about WordPress, and the first one in New Year. First of all, I wish you all the best in 2020. I hope you liked the previous video. Today, a few days after the celebration of New Year, we are talking about how you can install WordPress on a local machine. For our operation, we need Xampp and a clean installation of WordPress. Links for download will be in the description. I didn't include part of installation of Xampp because it's a very simple procedure with clicking on the next few times and finish. However, if you want to know something more, follow our written post. The link also will be in the description. Xampp you can download from here. I'm using the version for Windows, but here you can find it for Linux and Mac OS. And WordPress, you can find it here. The latest version is 5.3.2. After the installation of Xampp, start the Xampp control panel in Systri. Click on Explore, and this is the folder where you installed the Xampp. If you accidentally close Xampp from here, you can start it from this folder. Click here. Okay, now start the Apache and start MySQL. The Xampp all the time runs in background. Now open new tab and type localhost. Localhost. Here, press on PHP My Admin. For function, WordPress need the database. Click here and create new one. Type name, some name. Our will be custom 9. You can choose your own, but you must remember it. Click on create, and now we can the database. Now go to the Xampp installation folder and find the htdocs folder. Here you need to extract your WordPress installation. Okay, and you must rename this folder. In our case, that will be custom 9. Open it and find vp-config sample.php file. This file you must edit, and here put the name of your database, custom 9. Your username will be root and without password. Please save it. But now this file must be written this way. Remember that the extension .php and the name must be just like this. Okay, then go to the Opera, open new tab, type localhost / name of your database and press enter. This is the local installation of WordPress. Choose your language, site title custom 9, username put your own, mine is Nicola, and here it's very important that this password be the strong one. Put your password. Mine is very weak. This is for experimenting purposes. Put your email. And for now, discourage search engines for indexing this site. Click Install WordPress. Wait a few seconds. Click on Login. Here type your name and your password. Ta-da! This is the dashboard of new installation of WordPress. In the next video, we are going to explore the dashboard itself and to meet this beautiful platform. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned because more videos are coming. Thank you.